are getting out of there. AFO Wolfpack is reporting mortar positions on the whale. We're ready to locate and engage those targets.
Gunfighter 6, Bagram. Confirmed. En route to the whale. What's your ETA?
Bagram, we are 30 seconds out.
Gunfighter 6, roger. Wolfpack has targets identified. Take all guidance from Panther on line of sight frequency.
Gunfighter 1-1, we took some fire back there. Be advised, we are test firing at 30 mil.
Gunfighter 06, we are clear. Gunfighter 6, Gunfighter 1-1, 10 seconds to destination.
Now try the rockets. Check the rockets.
Keep your eyes open, we're here. Gunfighter 6, I've got movement at 12, do you have visual?
Gunfighter 1-1, contact, switching to TAS.
Range to target 2,500 meters.
1-1, let's keep a safe distance here and engage with Hellfires. We've got a few locals hanging out 12 o'clock. What are these guys up to?
06, I don't like these guys. Wait, what's that guy doing? Where's he going?
1-1, keep your eyes on that guy.
06, I'm gonna mark that position for you. Hang on. That's an AK. These guys are armed.
Gunfighter 1-1, confirm you saw a weapon.
Affirmative, you sold it a weapon. Those are bad guys.
Wolfpack 1, Gunfighter 6, we have visual of several armed individuals in grid 151916.
Let's go. Let's take them out. Mortars, these are the guys. Are we clear to engage?
Gunfighter 6, Panther. Those are enemy targets. You're clear to engage. No friendlies in the area. Happy hunt?
Fire. Missile away. 1 down, 2 to go. Mortar crew on your screen. Whoa, there he goes. Make sure you got him. Missile off the rail. That's 2. 1 more to go. Tally, mortars. Kill him. Missile off the rail. Bagram, Gunfighter 6, BDA to follow. Approximately 24 personnel and 3 mortars destroyed.
Gunfighter 6, mission accomplished. Request you proceed on heading 280.
Bagram proceeding on. Whoa, what was that? Gunfighter 1-1, did you see that?
06, Tally. Technical's moving to the northeast.
Looks like they're in a hurry, too.
Shit, we're out of range.
Lost them. They went behind that ridge. Gunfighter 1-1 backing out of TAS.
Bagram, do you have a visual on vehicles at our grid?
Gunfighter 6, affirmative. We've got 3 trucks heading toward a village 2 clicks north of Bubble Hill.
Those are our guys.
Gunfighter 6, intel to clear that village cold, but Predator is showing weapons in those vehicles. You're cleared to engage.
Bagram Wilco, 1-1, let's go low 0203.
Low 0203, confirmed.
Let's go get them. 1-1 Tally, 3 trucks headed for that bridge west of the village. 1-1 was 30 millimeter. We have visual of weapons in the bed of the trucks. Let's get noisy.
06, roger, going towards this time. Gunfighter 1-1, firing 30 Mike. 06, the technicals are headed into the village. Let's light them up.
1-1, are those guys from that truck?
Affirmative, targets on the right, engaging. 06, breaking right, come back and put some rounds down on those targets.
1-1 squad clear, covering your break. Bagram, we have targets moving into the village. Are we clear to engage to the village?
Gunfighter 6, Bagram. Notice confirmed Taliban armor. You're hot on all targets.
06, multiple positions in that area.
1-1 Tally, we're on your 6. Scout well to hear those trucks in your break.
06, taking fire from below.
These guys are peppering me.
I got tagged. Wait, RPG south end of the village.
RPG, shit. Nice shot. Yeah, you're taking RPG fire. Something's close by. I'm going right under the close. We got targets at 11 o'clock. We got quarters out of that hut.
06 Tally, engaging.
Another RPG. Get that guy.
This is cold. There's targets everywhere.
Oh, got jumped off the roof with an RPG.
Great burst, take up uniform. What's going on here?
RPG shit.
Yeah, that last RPG flagged us pretty good. I'm a master caution and a negative 30mm. So yeah, no gun.
What's your bunker factor? We still have active targets on the whale.
I've got a noticeable snake in the controls, but it'd be a shame to RTB with those targets out there.
What do you think?
Well, your gun is operational. Let's try hunter-killer.
That's a training exercise. These are real-world targets.
It's simple. I mark targets, you kill targets. Just make sure you do it on the first pass. I'm almost at bingo.
Wilco. 1-1 switching to tabs. Let's sync weapons.
Wilco, switching to tabs. Zero 06, I'm single engine, going low.
1-1, I am 4 rotor discs behind you. Search for targets.
Here we go, targets, 11 o'clock, top of that ridge. Too close for hellfire.
Got him. Small arms and mounted weapons on vehicles.
06, bump up to altitude and front of target.
Get closer.
06, your gun's up and down. RPG, 12 o'clock, I'm marking it for you. Check mail.
Good mail. Hawk, use your hellfire.
Breaking west. RPG, 12 o'clock in the canyon. Check mail.
Good mail. Hawk, get on the target. Get him away. 1-1, we're going to take another pass.
06 negative. Let's stay on mission and find the mortars.
Roger. How are you on fuel?
Not at bingo yet. Running about 800 pounds. Let's continue to acquire and engage these targets.
1-1, roger.
06 coming up.
1-1, you okay?
Yeah, but I'm getting buzzed in the pedals now. 06, I have targets everywhere. We need to drop altitude.
1-1, roger.
RPG! Come on, I'm getting peppered.
Coming around. Wait for it. Fire. Hawk, we got quarters. I'm breaking left. Clean them up.
RPG, take up that position. I'm marking it for you.
Good mail. Hawk, take the shot.
We have the quarters down below.
Come back around, Hawk. Line him up.
RPG, get that guy. 1 o'clock.
Hawk, I'm on the pressure needle. Get on the trigger. 1-1, get a lace on that position. Coming around clockwise.
06, nice placement.
Get that mortar position on the right. Good mail. Hawk, hellfire. Hawk, we're going head on. Fire. Bring it on. Great shot, Hawk. Sweep up the rest of the quarters and then let's head out. Hawk going over again. Clean them up. Going low. Breaking right.
Gunfighter 6, roger.
Bob from Gunfighter 1-1, ETA to FARP approximately 12 mics. Have crash rescue on standby.
Gunfighter 1-1, 12 mics, roger. They'll be ready for you.
We're going direct to the FARP, shortest distance.
No arguments here.
Shit, take him out! Gun fail, breaking left.
Nice kill.
That wasn't us. We have no gun.
Someone does. That was a hell of a shot.
Saved our asses.
Damn right they did.
Target destroyed. Headshot confirmed.